Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by connecting Tableau to your data source. Pick the file or server and sign in. Once connected, inspect column types and parse dates so time functions work. Make sure keys match across tables. If the dataset is large, use an extract to improve responsiveness. This speeds sorting and filtering. Next, define joins or relationships explicitly so aggregations compute correctly. These first steps prevent errors downstream and get you straight into building sheets without rework. Now you build the core visualizations, create separate sheets for each KPI or view. Drag measures and dimensions, choose bars for comparisons or lines for trends, and maps for geographic data. Once done, add calculated fields to compute margins, ratios, or percent change, and set default aggregations like SUM or AVG. Make parameters to let you swap metrics or date ranges. This keeps the dashboard flexible. Also, tidy axis labels and tooltips so viewers immediately understand. Place your sheets on the dashboard canvas and arrange them with containers to maintain alignment. Set a fixed size for consistent viewing. Once placed, add global filters and dashboard actions so clicks drive cross-filtering. Make sure legends and titles are concise. Test interactivity and responsiveness, check load times, and reduce quick filters if performance lags. If something breaks, clear and refresh extracts first. Often stale extracts cause mismatched data. Then republish to Tableau server or online with.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.